Okay, so what we're seeing right now is this incredible strategic showdown between two of the heaviest hitters in tech, Lenovo and Dell. And what they're fighting for, it's not just the next big thing, it's dominance in the completely new world of the AI-powered PC.
So you gotta ask, who's actually going to win this race? And this isn't just about who sells more laptops. This is about who gets to define the future of how you and I interact with our most personal technology. And that's really the key, because winning here isn't about building a slightly faster machine. It's about building an entire intelligent world that surrounds you, that understands you, and that helps you navigate your life. So yeah, welcome to the new AI battlefield. The old rules of the PC game, they're being completely torn up and thrown out the window.
You've got Lenovo on one side, Dell on the other. And what's just fascinating is that their game plans for this new era are like polar opposites. The difference is just, it's stark.
And that difference really comes down to their core vision. You can honestly frame this as a battle between a connected ecosystem versus a powerful but totally isolated island.
Okay, this right here is the heart of Lenovo's master plan. It's something they're calling the personal AI twin. I mean, just imagine a digital you, an AI that actually learns your habits and acts like a real assistant, not just on one gadget, but everywhere. So how's that actually supposed to work? Well, picture this. You start your day and your AI twin is right there on your Motorola phone. You get to your desk and boom, it just slides right over to your Yoga laptop. It can even talk to your office PC, and the whole time it's being powered by Lenovo's cloud. It's one continuous, unified experience.
And this is the core of it. Lenovo's building a land bridge, right? Connecting every single digital thing in your life. Dell, on the other hand, is offering a powerful island. A fantastic AI PC, don't get me wrong, but it's fundamentally disconnected in a world that's all about connection.
And, being an island has major consequences. Without its own phones or mobile devices, Dell's amazing AI PC basically just becomes a really fancy container for someone else's brain, like Microsoft's Copilot. Dell is selling the hardware, but they don't own the experience.
Now, this strategic split leads us straight to our next big topic, trust. Because look, if you're asking people to let an AI into their entire digital life, trust is everything. And here again, these two companies are taking wildly different paths. One of the sources we looked at put it perfectly. In the AI era, the most valuable commodity is not silicon, it's trust. We're so far beyond just talking about processor speeds now. We're talking about giving an AI access to your emails, your private documents, your schedule. The whole game has changed.
And on this point, their approaches just couldn't be more different. Dell's faced some heat for AI washing, taking existing software, slapping an AI label on it, and calling it a day. It feels very marketing-driven. Lenovo, though, is all about walking the walk. They are literally running their own massive $60 billion global business on their own AI.
And we're not talking about small things. Lenovo is very public about how it uses AI to run its ridiculously complex global supply chain, saving hundreds of millions of bucks. It uses AI to predict customer service problems before they even happen. They are proving this stuff works on themselves.
So what you get at the end of the day is a credibility gap. One company is marketing the idea of AI, while the other is proving it in the real world. That just builds a completely different kind of trust with people.
All of this, the vision, the trust, it all feeds directly into the bigger picture here. We're talking about the platform long game.
Because let's be real, this whole battle isn't going to be decided by one flashy product launch. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And the winner is going to be the company that successfully builds out the entire platform for your digital life.
This chart just lays it out so clearly. Both companies, absolute powerhouses in PCs and servers. Check, check. But then you get to that last row, global mobile presence. Lenovo's got it with Motorola. Dell doesn't. And that's been called a critical handicap in this race.
So this brings us to the end game. Think of it like this. Dell is perfectly set up to sell the shovels in the new AI gold rush. And hey, that's a fantastic, super profitable business to be in. But Lenovo, they're not trying to sell the tools. They're trying to build the entire city, the whole foundation that everything else runs on.
So we've gone through all this high-level strategy. What does any of it actually mean for you, the person who's going to be using these devices every single day?
It means the very idea of a computer is changing. We are moving away from a world of just boxes and tools.
The future is a single, smart intelligence that follows you around, helps you out, and becomes this trustworthy companion in your life.
Which leaves us all with one final, really important question to think about. As AI becomes more and more a part of our lives, literally living on our phones and laptops, who do you trust to build its home?